All right, I wanted to show the clasping system and how everything holds in there. I've got a bunch of random stuff in there: change of clothes, pair of shoes, soup, miscellaneous car and motorcycle parts. I'll show you doing the clasping system. Just pretty simple, pretty fast. That's that. So the questions come up: how strong is the system? And can you just toss the bag down with it in there? And absolutely. Got this thing loaded up pretty good. You can just see that the buckles themselves are very secure. You can even lift it up from the buckles and not have any problem with the thing wanting to come undone, and yet still quick enough on your back.